Transitioning is a beautiful, personal journey. It's a chance to step into the person you've always known yourself to be. But with so much information available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Where do you even begin? Fear not. This guide will equip you with essential tips to navigate your transition with confidence and ease. The first step is acknowledging you're ready to transition. Take a deep breath. There's no rush. Transitioning is a marathon, not a sprint. While you might be eager to jump right in, a slow and steady approach offers several advantages. Consider experimenting with androgyny as a starting point. Maybe grow your hair long if you're transitioning from male to female, or vice versa. This subtle change allows you to explore your identity without overwhelming yourself or others. Another way to initiate slow change is by starting hormone replacement therapy, HRT, early on. This allows for gradual physical changes that give you time to adjust. Remember, HRT is a personal decision, and thorough research is crucial. Don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional to discuss your options. Connecting with others who are also on a similar journey can provide emotional support, guidance, and reassurance. Online forums, local support groups, or LGBTQ+ organizations may be valuable resources for building connections with individuals who understand your experiences. As you navigate through this process of self-discovery and transitioning, it's important to prioritize self-care and mental well-being. Seeking therapy from a counselor who is knowledgeable about gender identity issues can help you work through any challenges or anxieties that may arise. Taking care of yourself holistically, physically, mentally, emotionally, will contribute to a smoother and more fulfilling transition journey. Remember that your journey towards embracing your true identity is unique to you, and there is no right or wrong way to explore your gender expression. Trust in yourself and take the steps that feel most authentic and empowering for you. Stay open-minded, patient with yourself, and remember that self-discovery is an ongoing process that unfolds at your own pace. Embrace each step forward as a moment of growth and empowerment towards living authentically as the best version of yourself. Laser hair removal and electrolysis can significantly enhance your journey. While these procedures might seem more relevant later, starting early offers distinct benefits. Consider this. Pre-feminization laser hair removal on facial hair targets lighter, finer hairs, often leading to less expensive and quicker sessions. Similarly, electrolysis for beard shadow can be tackled before it becomes more prominent. The earlier you begin, the smoother your transition becomes later on. Plus, undergoing these procedures before fully coming out allows you to maintain control and privacy. Look for deals and discounts on reputable platforms. Websites like Groupon can offer fantastic savings on laser hair removal packages, making these treatments more accessible. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to transitioning. The internet is overflowing with resources. Don't be shy to leverage the power of YouTube. Countless channels offer valuable information on topics ranging from makeup tutorials and voice training to legal name change procedures and navigating healthcare systems. Google is your oyster. Explore transition timelines, hormone therapy basics, and experiences of others. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Transitioning can be a challenging and emotional journey, but you don't have to go through it alone. Seek out support from friends, family members, or online communities that are welcoming and understanding. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and provide a safe space for sharing your thoughts, fears, and accomplishments. Additionally, consider connecting with transgender support groups or organizations in your area. These groups often host meetings, events, or virtual chats where individuals can find camaraderie, guidance, and validation from others who may have similar experiences. Remember that there is strength in numbers. Finding solidarity within the transgender community can help alleviate feelings of isolation and foster a sense of belonging during this important time in your life. By proactively seeking out supportive resources and building connections with like-minded individuals throughout your transition process, you can cultivate a strong network of allies who are invested in your well-being and growth. Embrace the power of community as you embark on this transformative journey towards self-discovery and authenticity. Building a new wardrobe can be expensive. Thankfully, resourceful alternatives exist. Thrift stores are treasure troves waiting to be explored. With a little patience and an eye for style, you can curate a unique and affordable wardrobe. Don't be afraid to experiment. You might unearth hidden gems you wouldn't have found elsewhere. Beyond thrifting, consider reaching out to supportive friends and family. Let them know you're embarking on a wardrobe update. You might be surprised by hidden gems lurking in their closets. Accepting hand-me-downs or gently used clothes not only saves you money but also strengthens your support network. Fit is key. Choose clothes that flatter your body shape and age group. Aim for clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. If transitioning from male to female, consider aligned skirts or dresses that accentuate your natural curves. Experiment with layering to create a desired silhouette. Comfort is equally important. Using scarves or pads can offer you additional confidence and discretion during specific stages of your transition. Remember, these are optional. Prioritize your comfort level above all else. Additionally, be aware of subtle construction differences between men's and women's clothing. Pay attention to cuts, fabric choices, and shoulder seams when trying clothes on. There's a common misconception that transitioning requires an excessive amount of makeup, feminine gestures, or a high-pitched voice. In reality, the key is authenticity. Don't feel pressured to conform to what society deems feminine or masculine. Overdoing it can actually make you appear clockable, easily identifiable as transgender. Focus on enhancing your natural features instead. Apply makeup to make you feel confident, not to completely change your face. Here's a personal anecdote. In my early days of transition, I used to pile on makeup, feeling insecure and pressured to look a certain way. One day, a friend pointed out how much more at ease I looked with minimal makeup. It was an eye-opening experience. Focusing on who I truly am allowed my natural beauty to shine through. Embrace your own unique sense of style and cultivate authenticity. It's your journey, and there's no single, right way to transition. The most important aspect is staying true to yourself. Experiment, find your voice, and don't be afraid to break free from societal expectations. Self-reflection is a powerful tool. Take time to explore who you are and who you want to become. What makes you feel happy and confident? How do you want to express yourself to the world? Don't be afraid to embrace your quirks and personal style. Authenticity shines through, making you a more radiant and confident version of yourself. Transitioning is a powerful and transformative experience. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Embrace these tips as a starting point, but always prioritize what feels right for you. Be you, be authentic, and never be afraid to ask questions. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have anything you'd like to share or ask. Looking for more resources and support? Subscribe to this channel for regular content on transitioning. You can also find valuable information and community engagement on my social media platforms, all linked in the description below. This is just the beginning of your incredible journey. Take a deep breath, embrace your true self, and embark on this exciting adventure with confidence. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.